everyone and their mom are using essential oils nowadays. And it's kind of crazy because I'll tell you, I was so not one of those people that liked natural stuff at all. Anything holistic was just so dumb to me. I thought it was so stupid. Like, if you would have told me about 6 years ago that I would be sitting here talking to you guys about essential oils or anything like that, I would have looked at you and been like, oh, really? That's really cute. But once I saw firsthand exactly what this stuff was able to do for me, for everything that I was going through within my body, physically, emotionally, spiritually, and I saw the outcome of how wonderful these products actually were, it completely changed my mind. I went from a skeptic to a believer very fast. So if you kind of are like I was and you don't think that this kind of stuff is real or that it can work, just know that you're in good company, because I literally thought the same thing. But before you get like super excited and you're like, oh, oils, okay, let me go to the store and buy some, stop right there. Don't do that. Those oils are not real. They might even say like 100% pure on the bottle, but it's not. They actually have tons of fillers and additives and stuff that have diluted the oil from what it truly is. So you don't want to do that. And if for whatever reason you do have any of these like store-bought oils that you bought, or you got them off Amazon or something, throw them away. Okay, so if you're kind of like my friends and you're like, well, then what oils do I use? Like, how do I even get started using essential oils? Then what I'm going to tell you is get a starter kit from Young Living, because that's honestly all I did. When I wanted to start using oils, I didn't know what to do. I didn't know where to start. So I just simply got this starter kit from Young Living, and Young Living is the best just because they're the world leader in essential oils, and there's no other oil company out there that can compare to the purity because of their seed to seal standards. And I don't care what you're going through in your life. I don't care what your kids are going through, what your husband is going through. There is something in this starter kit that is going to help you, that is going to change your life drastically, just like it did for me. There's like 11 different oils in this kit thing. And because all of our bodies are so different and we're all wired so differently, it's neat that it comes with these options because we're able to try and figure out what's going to be best for us for whatever we're dealing with. So my fellow skeptic friends that are out there, you might be just like me, or you might be a total beginner and you're really wanting to figure out what to do, how to use this stuff, and why this stuff is so important. The perfect place to start your oiling journey is with this starter kit. So let me go over all the oils that it comes with. First one, lavender. This one is my favorite for sleep, emotions, relaxation, healthy skin, overall wellness from head to toe. I'm constantly applying this oil on myself and my kids every single day, and it smells amazing in the diffuser that this starter kit comes with. Lavender is one of the most popular oils and one of the most used oils for families around the world. Next one is lemon vitality. Taking this oil internally has made a very big difference in my digestive health, immune health, even in the way my skin looks. Young Living gets their lemon oil from the rind of the fruit, which contains so many more nutrients. It's not acidic. It's so easy on the tummy. I recommend adding this oil into recipes because it tastes super good and it's super good for you. So if you're gonna drink this though in like water throughout the day, be sure to do that in glass or in stainless steel. Peppermint vitality is next. Peppermint. This oil made me a believer in the beginning because it works for so many things. It helps your digestive system, keeps your brain focused, supports the urinary tract, and it literally tastes so good in food and drink recipes. It's a powerful one though, so the littlest drop is all you need. Then we've got Copaiba Vitality. This oil is so good to keep every part of your body feeling good. So I add it to a teaspoon of honey every morning to support the digestive system, immune health. I've also commonly used this oil on my kids' gums when they were babies. So get this oil inside your body in any way you can. It will help normalize your body from the inside out. Then we have my boyfriend Frank. Frankincense. I mean, hello, Jesus was given this oil when he was a baby, so it must be pretty great. This one is great for supporting the cells of your body. One of the best oils for skin, and inhaling and applying this oil brings a balance to my emotions that I have never seen before. So it's really neat for this oil to have been used even in biblical times. It's really cool to have access to this stuff today. And then we've got the oil that had me hooked from the very beginning, which was Thieves Essential essential oil. This oil changed my life. It supported my immune system to the max, as well as my respiratory health, my overall well-being, even my oral health. In any way you can, get Thieves in your body internally every single day. This blend of oils is in fact so effective that Young Living created an entire line of Thieves products to clean your body and your home too. Citrus Fresh is next. This is a blend of fruity freshness that also has tons of health benefits too. I love to use Citrus Fresh to eliminate yucky odors, to boost positivity and creativity, to support healthy emotions, and even to support healthy skin. It's one of the best smelling oils in the starter kit for sure. And then there's DiGize, which I was saying that Citrus Fresh was one of the best smelling, but let me tell you, DiGize is one of the worst smelling. But here's the deal. These oils weren't made to smell good, they were made to work, and boy does DiGize work. It is your go-to oil for all things involving the tummy. It supports healthy digestion, helps soothe the tummy after meals, it helps you poop. Yes, I said poop. And you're gonna love DiGize for it. This is quickly going to become one of your favorite oils. Raven is next. Now, while the name of it reminds me of my favorite Disney TV show when I was a child, it's also a very awesome, fresh, and soothing blend of essential oils. It's got eucalyptus in it, so the smell is very invigorating, very rejuvenating. It makes your home smell very clean and fresh, and it's a great one to diffuse during seasonal changes too. So I love applying this oil over my kids' chest, under their nose, just to keep them breathing in the healthiest way. And then there's Panaway, which is my husband's favorite oil. This one made him a believer because you can really feel the benefits when you apply it over your muscles, your temples, your joints. It's a great oil to use before and after exercise or a long day at work, and it even keeps you focused on the task at hand whenever you inhale it deeply. So after a long day, maybe apply some Panaway to your husband's shoulders, give him a good massage. It feels super cooling and super good to the skin. And then there's Stress Away, which is like a bonus oil that comes in this kit. It's also one of the best smelling, in my opinion, and one of the most used essential oils in my house because yes, it's amazing to have as your BFF throughout all of life's twists and turns, hence the name Stress Away. So when my kids are driving me nuts, I will diffuse this vanilla lime goodness to calm them down and to keep my patience levels at bay. This is also one of my favorites for bedtime. My daughter loves this oil before she goes to sleep at night. And then of course, the fact that this starter kit comes with a diffuser is so great. You cannot experience essential oils without a diffuser. So if you think that you can just get one oil here and there and you don't have a diffuser to experience it with, you're gonna be missing out completely. I see it as my healthy air freshener. It's wonderful to be using in my home, to use it in our bedrooms. Diffusing whatever oil we are wanting or needing is so great to have in our house. So you think about it, guys, that is a lot of like really cool benefits in just one awesome starter kit. And if I'm being honest, that was truly the cheapest 160 bucks that I have ever spent considering all the stuff that those oils can do for me. That's a lot of things that I don't have to buy at the store anymore that come in a starter kit that lasts me a really long time because each one of those little bottles have like 100, 120 drops in it, and I can use it for myself, for my kids, for my husband. If you have pets, you can use them on your pets. You can use them for everyone. But despite that, don't underestimate the power of plants, you guys. This stuff has been used for thousands of years, stuff that comes straight from the ground, from what God gave us from the very beginning of time. And what a coincidence. It works perfectly in conjunction with our bodies. It works to support every single system in our body, our emotions, our physical health, our mental health, our stress levels, every single thing you can think of, there's an oil for it. That's just simply a miracle to know that our God loves us so much that He gave us plants for our disposal to use it for everyday life. These oils need to be in your house if you don't have them yet. They need to be in your house right now. Really, they needed to be in your house yesterday or years ago. So if you're thinking about things specifically going on within your own personal life, within your family, just know that there is an oil in the starter kit or something that comes in the starter kit that is going to help you, that is going to make all the difference in the world. This is coming again from the biggest skeptic on the planet. You are going to be so blessed, and it's going to make the biggest difference and change your life forever, just like it did for me. I'm excited for you. I'm excited for your family, and I cannot wait to see how these oils are going to transform your life in the coolest way possible.